Right now, I'm invisible. Yes. My video is not getting any views, no recommendation, no clicks, nothing, no audience. It feels like I'm in an empty room shouting alone. Nobody's listening. Nobody's coming to my rescue. Only the wall facing me, looking at me. That is what it feels like. Whew, the truth is, YouTube doesn't know I exist. YouTube algorithm doesn't, have no idea of my existence. It doesn't even know me. It doesn't even know I existed. All right. And yet, for the next 90 days, I'm going to try, and change that. Okay. This is my experiment, my battle. I call it crack the algorithm, crack the YouTube algorithm. Okay, 90 days of a small YouTuber. This is day one. Oof, man, the fact is, when you start a YouTube channel, you quickly realize that the hardest part of being a small YouTuber is not about creating your content. No, it's not about giving it the perfect thumbnail, the perfect intro hook, the perfect description, the perfect title, the perfect music. It's not any of this. The hardest part of being a small YouTuber is, hey, Jesus Christ, getting someone to click on it, getting the views, getting the clicks, getting the likes, getting the subscribers. That is the hardest part of being a small YouTuber. It is something else, seriously. Now, so here is what I'll be doing for the next 90 days. I'll post every day, no skipping, no excuses. But this is not just about uploading. Yeah, it is not. It's about me experimenting, every day I'll try new things, different titles, different thumbnails, different shorts and long versions. Okay, I'm posting time too. I'll try posting time. I'll try trending topics. I'll just try. I'll be trying different things. All right, and I'll be sharing you guys. Keeping you updated on any of it works. Okay, I will be updating you guys if it works. All right, and I don't know honestly. I might fail. Yes. But I know that by 90 days, either I successfully start getting views or I must have learned something. There are two things I have in mind. I will improve on myself in the next 90 days or I will successfully crack the YouTube algorithm. Okay. That is what I have in mind in this 30 days and 90 days crack YouTube algorithm challenge. That is what I have in mind. So, ooh, let's be real right now. Let's be real. It is not going to be easy, but we will get there. Now, let me be real with you. Right now, my channel feels like a ghost. No one is watching, no subscribing. I think I have about 10 or 20 subscribers. All right. And that is from a short, that I just posted. That short is not even my short, it's a random short. Okay. But if I stop posting today, YouTube will still not know that I exist. Nobody will even send. So nobody will notice. And it's hard. So, but at the same time, staring at the zero views, staring at the zero clicks, I will still continue posting because when you have nothing, everything you gain is progress. All right. So basically, this video is my progress. When I get additional one subscriber, I'll I will be documenting it. When the views start increasing, I'll get to document it. But the mindset I carry in this 90 days challenge is, even if it's one view, one subscriber, at least somebody. give me their time. Somebody decide, I deserve their subscription. So I will be valuing it. All right. Thinking of YouTube like this, the algorithm is the YouTube gatekeeper. Like YouTube algorithm is the main, it is like the controller. All right. When the YouTube algorithm opens door for you, that is when you see views. And the aim in this video is for me to, crack that algorithm to open the door. So it's decides YouTube decide algorithm decides when you get seen, who gets shut out, and it's not emotional. It doesn't care about your passion, or YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your passion. It doesn't care about your effort, or even late nights, when you're late at night, up at night, working, all right. But I believe YouTube algorithm looks at data, clicks, watch time, and retention. The more you get people to view your video, the more the algorithm pushes it out. That is what I believe the algorithm is all about. So we will get there, all right. So it's just a system, okay, but I believe we can crack it. Now it is me against YouTube system, YouTube algorithm every day. I will report back with what happened, the wins, the failure, the experiment, the lessons. Okay, so day one on today's video, my testing is simple. All right, I'll be going with simple testing. I'll upload a raw video honest with a title that speaks directly to the truth. Mm. All right. So I think I'll give today's title to be "The Algorithm Does Not Know I Exist." Yes. That is what I'll be giving today's title. All right. And hmm, I'm not dressing it up. Okay. I'll just be posting it the way you're seeing. The only thing I think I'll do is just, indicate this is day one on this video. That is the only thing I'll do, just plain nothing. I'll just leave it plain, indicate it is day one. And the question is, will the algorithm even notice? Will it give me 5 views, 10 views? I don't have any idea. But this testing of this first day is posting original. All right. Everything I'm going to be doing is original. All right. Everything I'm going to be doing is original. All right. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you are also a small YouTuber like me, or maybe you have thought about starting a YouTube but doesn't hit record. Maybe you have uploaded before and felt the stains of silence, where nobody views. The pain is here. I understand. I'm there. I'm with you. I'm in line with you. I feel the pain. All right. So this is just my journey. Okay. This is our journey. Every like, every comment, every new subscriber becomes proof that small creators don't have to, in, to be invisible forever. So together we can crack it. Okay. Together we can crack it. All right. So 90 days is a long time. I know there will be days when I want to quit, days when I will post and get zero views, traction, days when I will ask myself, why am I even doing it? Yes. But here is the thing, the algorithm only wins if I give up. If YouTube algorithm does not, if you don't give up, with the YouTube frustration, you will be forcing YouTube algorithm to push your content. So then one day something has to break the YouTube algorithm. Yes. I believe definitely I'm gonna, drop a content that will, crack it. All right. So welcome to my day one. This is my day one officially. All right, my day one, the algorithm doesn't know I exist. That is the title of this video, and that is what I'll be using on the description. Okay. Yes, but tomorrow is another day. Yes. Another experiment, another chance, to get closer to cracking the code. If you want to see how far this goes, subscribers, views, come back tomorrow and watch it. Okay. So the best is, if you want to see what tomorrow will look like, what I'll be getting, just subscribe. So you come tomorrow, when I post tomorrow, you get to see the outcome of this particular video. All right. Now, remember, I may be invisible, but by day 90, that could change. Yes, that could change. That is sure. Now, this is cracking YouTube algorithm. All right. Day one, 90 days of a small YouTuber. See you on my next video. I will be analyzing this particular video that I made, the response I got in 24 hours. So see you on my next video. Okay.